I'm Chloe Vanderbilt, and I'm in a group with Jessica Christian, Robert Holt, and Zach Nicholson, and Mr. Bones. And we'll be talking to you today about all of Mr. Bones' bones. And it is December 5th, and I am in Anatomy and Physiology, second hour. This is the humerus. It is longer than it is wide. Therefore, it is a long bone. These are carpals. They are short as they are wide. They are short bones.
This is a lumbar vertebrae. It is an irregular bone because it is oddly shaped. These are the ribs. They are classified as flat bones because they are flat. This is the diaphysis of the bone. It is the shaft part of the bone. This is the epiphysis of the bone, which is the end of a bone.
This is a tuberosity. It is a bump on the end of the bone, usually for ligament attachment. This is the iliac crest. A crest is the top edge of a bone. This is the head of the femur, and it is the point of attachment for the ball and socket joint. This is the mandibular ramus, and it is a dent in the bone for blood vessels. This is the mental foramen, and it is a hole in the mandible for blood vessels. This is the external auditory meatus, and it is part of the ear. This is the coccyx. It is below the sacrum, and it is the tailbone. This is the cranium, which is the top part of the skull. This is the sternum. It has three parts. The top part is the manubrium, the middle is the body, and the bottom is the xiphoid process. This is the scapula, which is also known as the shoulder blade. This is the clavicle, which is also known as the collarbone. This is the humerus, which is pretty funny. This is the femur, which is the bone of your thigh. As you can see, Mr. Bones has many bones. They all have different shapes, sizes, and functions. Thank you for being here today.
These are ligaments. They are what holds the bone together at the joints. This is articular cartilage. This is what is in between the bone joints. This is the epiphyseal line on a bone. This is where you grow. Okay. This is the medullary cavity, which houses the red marrow and yellow marrow and the spongy bone. This is the compact bone on the outside, which is the hard bone, which is the white part of the bone. This is the periosteum, the part that is peeling away on the outside of the bone. These are the Sharpie's fibers which hold the periosteum to the bone.